Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you a free editing software for your videos. Application's name is Clipchamp. It's provided by Microsoft. Visit the website clipchamp.com. Click sign up at the top. You can sign up and log in. There are many ways to sign up and log in Google, Facebook, by your email, your Microsoft account. I will fastly log into my account. It will just take a few seconds. Have your website is opened here. You can edit your videos directly from the website. You can also edit your videos by using the Clipchamp application. You can find Clipchamp in the Microsoft Store. Go to the Microsoft Store. Search Clipchamp, download it. Once the application has been downloaded, you can open it. You can edit your videos from here. There are many types of templates you can use for your videos and slideshows. There are intros, outros, and many more. Go to the home. Click Create a Video. It will show you the editing page. It tells this kind of interface. You can directly drag and drop your video file here or click Import a Video. Once your video has been imported, you can drag and drop your video here. There are many kind of options you can use to edit your video, like add music and SFX. Add text of your favorite font, add templates, and many more. You can also upgrade your plan. In free, you can get watermark free exports with 1080p resolution. The essential plan costs 899 rupees per year. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, press the like button, subscribe our channel, and more about this free editing application to others so they can also edit their videos in this amazing application. So bye!